I've always wanted to participate in a graduation where I receive a blanket and just a beautiful gift that I will have for the rest of my life and will pass down. Gifting a blanket to someone means a lot in our community. I'm really glad that UCSF has resources for Native students and wants to include us and highlight us.
Thank you all so much for being here and celebrating with us. It has really been tremendous to grow with this community over the past 5 years that I've been at UCSF. There's been a lot of difficulty and a lot of hardship in the past, particularly with Native and Indigenous communities. So much of who I am is because of programs that have supported me. It's been really wonderful to have this community to grow with.
So I think it's very grounding, and it feels like a nice acknowledgement of sort of the other aspects of what it means to be in the healthcare space.
To be able to have blankets that are given to us that are made and designed by Native artists is really meaningful. It just shows that we're indigenizing the future and that we're here to stay and that we're really making our presence known here in the community and throughout the rest of the country as well. It reaffirms that the institution is backing us and allowing us to make spaces for ourselves, and to see it grow year after year really also shows that the school is making a bigger and bigger effort to make sure that we feel like we belong and that we are going to be supported throughout our entire careers.